Hi, my name is Dr. Wendy Craig, and I'm a faculty member in both the developmental area in the department and the clinical area. And I think that really speaks to what our department's about and why it's special and unique and why it could be the experience that you're looking for. Because I think it talks about how we collaborate as a faculty and with our students to create a broad base of knowledge. There are many strengths to our developmental program. First of all, we have 5 faculty who study different yet overlapping phenomena. So that enables an atmosphere where you can collaborate, share ideas, and be pushed in your thinking because you're being exposed to areas of interest that maybe are outside of what you're studying but are applicable to what you're studying.
What drew me to the program at Queen's University is the sense of community and collaboration among the faculty and staff. And it's really a strong value in the department here. And what I've realized is what drew me to the program as a prospective student is my favorite part about the program as a current student.
So working in such a tight-knit community here at Queen's, we have the opportunity to collaborate with graduate students and faculty outside of the developmental stream. So this has led to many projects that I've been able to strike up with other students outside of our subdiscipline of developmental psychology, and my supervisor and faculty from other disciplines have been very open to these collaborations, and they've been very exciting for me.
Because the field of developmental psychology is itself so very broad, there's natural extensions to be made to cognitive psychology, social psychology, clinical, and members of our group here do that. We have active collaborations with individuals outside of our area, and I think that kind of thing really can push your research forward.
We have the Pro Seminar, where all of the students at all stages in their career in developmental psychology come together and they practice presentations, they work out some of their thesis ideas, and all of the students and the faculty provide feedback and support in helping students move forward.
A great opportunity that developmental students have is to attend developmental pro seminars. And this happens once a week, and the graduate students in the department and the faculty get together and share research information. The students get to present their research ideas, and we also talk about professional development issues like knowledge translation and program development. And this is my favorite part of the program, and I look forward to it every week. It's a time where I feel like I can develop skills to make me a better researcher and also learn about research that's outside of my area, and so it satisfies that intellectual curiosity as well.
During those meetings, we have a lot of opportunity to discuss our research ideas and present them to the core faculty. And we have a lot of professional development topics that we discuss. We have other profs from different areas come to talk about things like how to build a strong CV or, make your media presence strong online.
We try to take what we learn from our research and not just talk amongst ourselves and other members of academia, but actually talk to the broader public and folks for whom this knowledge might be very important, such as educators, teachers, parents. And we have a lot of outlets for that, for our students to get experience in that, both for writing for a broader public, but also being out in community events where we do active science outreach, teaching kids about the brain, teaching parents about development. It's something that we as a developmental area, because we're constantly talking with families in the community and educators, we actually have a great way of training students to be part of that science outreach movement.
Being a recruitment coordinator for our developmental labs, and just going to volunteer recruitment events and just engaging with families and children to talk about our research.
I think once somebody becomes a grad student, one of the best things they can do is think of themselves as an apprentice or a trainee, somebody who's at the early stages of their career.
My supervisor has given me plenty of opportunity for personal, professional, and academic growth. I've gone to several international conferences, and I've presented my research in my master's in both poster and talk forms. I've also developed a symposium at an international conference and have been able to organize with other faculty from other universities, and I've had plenty of opportunity to meet some of the top people in our field, and it has been great so far.